States government. A national emergency message has been issued by the United States government. Please listen to this following message as it might save your life. It has come to our attention that there are tentacles coming from the sky and taking random individuals. Anyone that had been taken was never seen again. These large white tentacles have been emerging from the sky in all of our large cities and taking anyone they can. As of now, we are unsure as to where a captured individual goes. Please stay inside your shelter, ideally a basement. Do not also look into the purple light under any circumstances. People have started to change when they stared at the light for too long. There were even reported cases of people willingly going to the tentacles to be taken away. Almost 5 million citizens have succumbed to this unknown entity either by force or listen to whatever the purple light said to them. Yes, the purple light allegedly spoke to them. Witnesses saw someone staring at it and answering yes before going to the tentacles. The witnesses could only stop the victim for just a couple of seconds. The victim told them to leave him alone and that the purple light promised a paradise for him. Please stay tuned, remain indoors and do not stare at the purple light. This is all for now.